All right, so brand new Navi, purchased early March. Right away was having problems stalling. The auto wasn't the best. I'd ride 3, 5, 7 miles. It would stall. Thought it was just running rich and flooding. But right away it would stall. I couldn't get it started again because it seemed like it was flooded until the next day. Now I got 54 miles on it. So thought it was running rich because it smelled gas too. Took it in under warranty, of course. They cleaned the carb, really didn't fix the problem. I thought it was a air fuel ratio the whole time. Took it back. It took them like a week and a half to 2 weeks to look at it again. And they found a pinched fuel line in the gas tank that goes to an evap, not directly to the car, but to an evap system. So kind of makes sense if it would stall 5, 7 miles in because the fuel is getting pinched, so it's running really lean. And then you couldn't start it again because that fuel line was pinched. It was getting too much air. So just got it back, made sure to test it. It's running great. It idles great. Oh, by the way, before I took it in, it didn't idle great. It idled best when the choke was fully on. And that doesn't make sense. So took it back. I've ridden it about 12 miles today. Runs great, idles great. Doesn't seem like it's going to have the same problems, but I was so frustrated on trying to figure it out. It's a brand new bike. So anyway, fuel line pinch from the gas tank down to some evap system. I've known nothing about working on bikes, so just trying to relay the info. Thought it was a carb problem. Adjusting the idle with this little screw in there did make a difference. You can't adjust the airflow because it's that Welch plug that's you got to drill out. I'm not going to do that. But yeah, looking forward to it. What I did do is raise the bars up a little bit that way. And it's actually funner to ride it that way. You're a little bit more stretched out. Can't wait to get a new intake, take off this big bulky thing. Took off the fender. The man in the box intake is back ordered till June. So that should make a difference. And then get a new exhaust. All set to go. So I got mine here in Southern California, Redondo Beach. And I think this was the first one in South Bay because I haven't seen any others and they didn't have any other at the store. So they're just starting to deliver in California here in LA. So anyway, hope that helps. I'll put it in the description what the problem was and how we solved it. Thanks.